Mount Ashland was closed today over safety concerns due to high winds. Mount Ashland's general manager says last night they had winds reaching 75 miles per hour, causing damage to one of their lifts. He says the conditions lasted through the morning, with their lifts swinging too much to be considered safe. He says other concerns were falling trees and power outages on the mountain.
It's always a difficult decision to close the mountain. We know that there's families that really kind of rely on it as an opportunity on the weekends. But first and foremost, we're going to take the safety of our crew and the guests as the priority. And on days like this, we're just not going to chance something happening.
Gas says the wind should die down tomorrow, and as of this afternoon, they expect to have at least the lower mountain open.